Hi Debby. Have you been to the new amusement park yet?
No. When did it open?
Last weekend.
Was it crowded?
It was very crowded. Parking is terrible too.
Did you have fun?
Oh yes. The roller coasters are really fun. My kids has a great time. It was even fun for the adults too.
I didn't know it was open yet. I will have to take my son soon.
You should. They will love it.
Are the tickets expensive?
Yesh, they are pretty expensive. But your family will enjoy it.
Maybe we'll go this weekend. We don't have any plans on Saturday. My son have been asking about it.
If you go on Saturday, try to go early. There aren't enough parking spots. They need to add more.
Okay, that's good to know. Do you have any other tips?
The lines for the rides are very long, so be patient.
Okay, I assumed that. Now I have to convince my husband to go.
He doesn't like amusement parks?
No. I have motion sickness, so I can't ride any of the roller coasters. That means my husband has to ride all of them with our son.
Tell him to be prepared. There are lots of roller coasters.